I saw in your eyes the answer made me so afraid.
Scarlet, you don't mind, I'm trying to read the newspaper. Why are you recording on YouTube now? Can't you see I'm trying to read the newspaper? Please, can you just turn this thing off so I can just read my newspaper and stop you singing? Or wait till I go out and do this thing, not while I'm trying to read. Lord, woman, please.
And I can't help but
Oh Lord.
no, I can't help but think.
Look.
No, I can't help.
Take it easy on my damn ears now, please. Wouldn't you stop this thing? Turn off the TV or the YouTube or whatever you want to call it and stop your singing.
In time, you can win me back. But right now,
Why don't try out for American Idol and stop the YouTube thing? Nobody watches YouTube anymore.
You can take my heart.
You're wasting my time, my energy, and my electricity.
We can't be
Lord, woman, I swear if you get on my nerves one more time. Now you're making all kind of noise back there. Why? At least you shut up. Lord, you're crying now.
that hurt. Oh.
Scarlet, I'm sorry, dear. Really? I mean, I never mean for hurt your feelings or anything, you know. You're really crying? Oh Lord, poor thing. I tell you what, look. We'll go to American Idol next year. I promise you. We're going to meet Ryan Seacrest and everything. You're not even talking to me now. You've been just ignoring me the whole time. Oh well, suit yourself.